Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you Just Like Home Microwave. Let's start by opening the box. Look at these food items we have. Yum! Here is our microwave. Time to take a closer look at the microwave. It comes with AA batteries too. Let's start by cooking chicken first. Wow, it has a timer too. It's all done. Time for some hot dog. The bun and the sausage comes apart. Unfortunately, there is no hot dog button. And I just love how the microwave spins around. Careful when taking it out, the food can be really hot. Let's assemble the burger pieces. Here we have some bun, a patty, some tomato, some cucumber, and how can we forget the cheese? I love cheese in my burger. Microwave has different pictures of different foods, and the light turns on when it spins. It's time now to play with Lolo.
I want a burger.